by 2 ko ma'am. 6 by 2 ma'am na tapi iba mo tungin na hawade yung na Congress ki kano election pam de happen ko. Kasi haju habi ko. Yeah, record.
Ano dai kata natin sige piwa o piwa 2 dalo habi.
Okay.
Kano ne kain kang manati ba sige area sige. Hindi duty ka ba na sa bane ba.
6 by 2 ki haibo mo po. Sige ka uta dito kasi ka kananong tayo siya po yung center ng level sila. Po kasi kayo kang resident tayo siya.
Sir,
What's going on here?
have you cast the vote?
I am the candidate here. I came to check. My agent is not here. And I'm wondering what's happening here.
Sir,
I have already reported. What's your name?
Prakhar Pandey.
Are you?
IPS.
What is your designation?
I am an IPS probationer.
Probationer.
Do you mind, sir, you are not allowed within 100 meters from this, no?
Who says that?
The AC guide.
The candidate is allowed to go inside the booth to check.
Candidate is allowed.
According to the rule, candidate is allowed to check every booth.
Hello. I'm sorry if I'm getting the rules wrong. If there is any other problem, please tell me, because I have brought my force at me.
No, I have to check this.
There was 2 rounds of shots here. Just
2 rounds of shots.
Driving here.
Just
Okay,
behind
okay,
this
Mind if I take a
structure.
picture with you?
No, please don't take with me, but you can take off me if you want.
No, I'm saying that I have to check this one. Why this gun firing is happening?
That
here?
is why we have come, sir. That is why we have come. Because gun firing has been reported. Now that is why we have come, sir.
And then I see a lot of people guarding this place.
Yes, sir. You understand the problem with the state, sir. I have brought at least.
I know very well the state of affair here. That's why I came here. I got an information and I came here to check it.
Sir, please.
No, we have asked actually, sir. We have asked the teams to come here and will dominate the area. So no problem will be there.
Plain papers I think. The officers has already complained. You haven't told me anything. This I am saying that आप पहले सुनिए मुझे.
Please.
They are assigned to guard me.
Nung may kape ho, nung may kape ho siya ho.
SPG और Z plus security police station के अंदर आ सकते हैं. With weapon. Otherwise नहीं आ सकते हैं, sir.
Okay, then let them go. I'll say here, then I'll also tell you something. Then you listen to me and I'll take a picture of you. The polling officer has already complained. Are you aware of it?
You complain.
Are you aware of this?
We'll take
I am saying that. Are you aware of the fact that the polling officer has complained?
We'll take it.
No, what we are doing? What were you doing here? When my agents were threatened, what were you doing here? What is your job?
Complain to us.
What is your job here?
Our job is to enforce the duty.
You didn't enforce because my agent is threatened and he has left.
My
This
kids are
officer
here.
has already
My
complained.
kids are here, sir, and we are enforcing it.
No, you
Not any
didn't.
problem.
You allowed my officer, my agent to go out.
No, I didn't allow.
No, are you paid for this?
Why are you guarding the unauthorized
Then
person
you
in
have
outside
so
the...
many people
I
in
have
gunfire.
I have
Then
come here
you have seen all...
because we have got the information.
The limit
No, I
you
am
have...
saying is that the polling officer
have
has
to be
already
a lenient.
complained that the agent was threatened and there was
Sir,
a commotion
you
here.
cannot-
Listen to me, there was a commotion. Are you aware of this?
Then tell me, sir.
Why
It's
should
not
I
that.
tell? I'm saying is that the
That's
polling
fine.
officers
If
has
you
already
get
told me.
information, we'll do it. If you get the information, we'll do it, sir.
No, I am
It's
not.
nothing to get
You are
angry
here.
on, sir.
Are you here?
I'm here.
You are guarding here?
I'm here.
Since when?
I just have come here.
So tell who's the
Because I
officer
have
here.
an
Call him
information.
first. Who was in charge of this one?
I'm calling. I'm coordinating.
Call her
But,
because
you
I'm
also
telling
have
you.
to
Just
cooperate
listen
with
to
us,
me.
sir.
It
You
will be on
also
the
have to
paper.
cooperate with us.
It will be on the
You also-
newspaper and I'll take your name as well.
You also have to cooperate with us, sir.
No,
Because
I
we
am
are not doing
saying that
anything wrong.
you cannot go here and there by saying this.
No.
Listen, there was a commotion here. First
We'll
listen
do
to
it.
me.
We'll do
I am
it.
the candidate
I'm
here.
taking your-
I am
taking
candidate.
your complaint. I'll talk to the concerned
Whatever it
person
is,
and we'll
listen
do
to
it.
me. Listen
We'll
to
do
me
the
first.
needful.
Do not follow some orders and then do hanky-panky here. My name is Angomcha Bimol Akwajam. I am INC candidate. I teach in JNU. You understand?
Sir, we understand, sir.
So listen to me because this officer has already complained that there was a commotion here. And how come that your officer in charge has no idea about this?
No, sir. We
When
have
the
received
agent is thrown
complaint.
out and threatened, who is supposed to protect him?
Sir.
Take this complaint.
We'll take the complaint and give us the written complaint.
Yes,
Please
sir.
do.
But you also have to cooperate
No, I
with
am. Don't turn this game on me. I'm saying that I want that officer who was in charge when the commotion is here. Did he inform you?
Sir,
That there was a commotion here. Listen, there was a commotion here. The agent was threatened and he left.
Sir.
And what happened to those security forces here? What happened? You're supposed to have a peaceful polling here.
Sir,
When the agent is being thrown out,
Can we talk in person, sir? Because this is going viral and
no, it should go viral. Because the officer, see, first of all, the man who is taking charge of this should not have allowed the commotions and the agent to go out after being threatened. It's not there's such issue. Who's the officer in charge here? I want to talk to him. Before you arrive, who's the officer?
in charge, but
No, I am saying that there must be a security assignment. Are you in charge of that?
I am the.
Did you notice that there was a commotion?
Sir, I have been going from place to place. I know that.
You were not here.
I was
we are
not.
actually getting information from various places. Sir.
That doesn't matter. I am saying that when you leave this place, there must be somebody in charge of this place. Am I right? Who's that chap?
The entire BSF forces are.
No, I am saying that not everybody can be in charge. There will be one officer in charge, right?
Can you please stop the video?
No. They can take it. I am saying is that don't play games by saying that everybody is in charge. There must be somebody in charge of this. Yung sangbam này cái gì miam là tiên được phòng thủ được cái miam nó nằm chân là cái con cái đi lấy bạc của người ngoài đi ra cái tên cái tổ cái gì chung là cái mũi nó bám cái mày tháo cái gì nó Bihar cái tổ cái mà pan cái chinh cái tổ đó khơi trái tổ cái lẽ vô gì nó không cái này tu cái thôi bây giờ cái chẳng cái mà cái sản phẩm tháo đâu đi cha của mình có cái liệt này cái sản phẩm cái đó mới cái tháo đâu đấy mà palm cái tháo đâu view anh tháo đâu bên cái tháo để ra palm rồi đi hai là mình cái chân rồi cái năm cái mà xem cái năm mình cái gì this is very unfortunate. Kung sa yari man po siya, Bihar to ay na to ang ko si mas da. Sa si mo ni ga to. Yo dong to to lu yan tar ke bole pas.
I think into that.
You know, 상으로
आप उसे कहीं लोकल पुलिस ऐसे कुछ नहीं करेगा ये आप उसको थोड़ा देख लीजिए
क्या है